Alright, welcome back guys to another video. We're in Manhattan Beach and we're gonna be driving home, and it's a 40-minute drive. So let's get going because we got ways to go. Alright, no cars, let's go. Man, we did a lot of walking. It was hot today and a lot of hills. For you guys that know, over here in Manhattan Beach there's a lot of hills and the sun is out, so you gotta put the AC on full blast. I don't really take this way home, but I'm just following the GPS, see wherever it takes me. Go this way. Look, you don't even know where to go. Whoa, we're going downhill. Are you ready? Let's go! Vroom. Imagine living in these homes. It's like very narrow streets. Is this a turning lane? Oh my gosh, I don't even know. Better not be a turning lane. I doubt it.
Think so.
I don't think so.
It would have an arrow, no?
Oh, I can't see the floor.
Would it see it? No, it's not.
Huh?
What are you
I'm not too sure because, well, low-key I'm hungry. Because that bagel didn't fill me up. Yeah, it was a small bagel. And then all the walking and the heat is making me like, man, I want to grub on something. And you know what? A funny thing that I'm craving right now?
What?
I don't know why a poke bowl sounds good to me right now. You're like disgusting. Nasty. Well, the thing is, if I choose to go eat something, what? A what?
In a side.
In a side bowl? taking this way to go home. I don't even know where I'm at. Redondo Beach Station, Metro. Well, low-key, I'm down for an disciple too. You want to go to the one right there by Mongolia? Or do you have a?
I found this one on Instagram. I didn't look for the picture, but it has been for that long time.
But is it like good?
Well, I don't know to.
Because sometimes they have a cycles where it's already like pre-made, no?
No, but they like make it.
Pre-made as in like you could just order it and it already has the things inside.
Oh. Let me look it up now.
Because the one over there by Mongolia is like you pick the things that you want inside.
Oh.
Go car, go. You need to act quick, man. You cannot be hesitant. I'm just saying because then if we go to the other one, then it's gonna be like, oh, it's only a chocolate banana sorbet, and it's like, what if I want something else in it? And then the other one is kind of like, oh, we have all these toppings, you could pick whatever you want. For one day, it rained for one day, and then it was pretty cold, or not cold, but it was like fresh, like in the 70s for like the whole week. And then all of a sudden now it's Saturday and it's like 85. Well, we'll see right now because that way we could just go do that and then go home and maybe just stay there. Because I'm craving that for like right now. It's in Downey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me put the address.
Yeah. Right there. By where the Crimson Coward?
They're putting. Yeah, right there.
Oh, okay. Feel the air, baby? Any more? Yeah, it's too hot. been nice if you would have signaled. Just a dream. Oh man. Yeah. There's so much traffic, man. It's pissing me off. Ba-da-ba-bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. It's too quiet. Let's push. Following yours.
That one's first.
Oh wait, what are you talking about?
I know because you have a house.
No, I'm following this one though. But yeah, this one's still on, but I'm following this one. Whoa, what fell? Girl, you're holding up traffic just because you want to go in here. I know, but still, it's like... How did I know it was a girl? I knew it. I knew it. Women, bad drivers.